Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add hashtag in your Telegram. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to tap into the app itself. Let's tap that Telegram app, and here you'll be greeted with this chat base. We have to go to the contacts, so it's in the left bottom corner. Let's tap in there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in hashtag, simply hashtag. And here you can see this option at the very third option. Let's tap in there. And now this is the hashtag bot. If you look at the right top corner, you can see a profile icon. Let's tap there. And this is where you can add your contacts, and you can even share it with your friends. You can add this to your groups and your different channels, and that's it. That is how you add hashtag in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any queries regarding this or any other things, then do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'd be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.